guys, what is up? This is Mihai and the moment has come. This is the official unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S10. I'm not going to lie, I am pretty excited about this. I have been waiting for this phone for quite a while now. It's promising a lot. It really is, and I really don't think it will disappoint. So let's just jump into it, unbox this beauty, and see how it really is. Okay. It's a pretty small box. This is the standard S10. But it's a beautiful box, and it is printed with soy milk, and the cardboard used for this, it's recycled, so Samsung has thought about that. Let's break this seal, and here we are. This is the moment. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This is one very, very beautiful thing. The entire front, as you might notice and already know, is just display. Everything is one big ass display, except this tiny dot in the upper right corner, which is the camera cutout. Just so I remind you, Samsung is the only company at this moment who's capable of this kind of precision laser cutting. So basically it's a very sophisticated AMOLED display with a very precise cut for the camera hole. Let's just put this right back. Here I believe we have some manuals and maybe the SIM ejection tool. Yep, here it is. I don't imagine these being very exciting, but let's just check inside real quick. Yep, this is the quick start guide. Okay, enough for that. Let's see. Oh my god, this is some next level beauty. It feels so light in the hand. You would expect something this size, and it's basically a glass and metal sandwich. You would expect it to be a lot heavier than it is. It isn't. The first thing I dislike is this Duos logo emblem. I don't know why they would put that there. I really don't know. It's ugly. But anyway, I will order a case for it, the original leather case from Samsung, because Samsung's original cases are very thin. They maintain the phone's body aspect, and you know, it doesn't add any kind of bulkiness, which is what I'm looking for. So it's wrapped in a protective foil. I will unwrap this, and I will actually make a full review of this phone. I will make a follow-up, because this is just an unboxing. Let's just put it away for now. It's a beauty, but let's put it away and let's look at what else is in the box. It's adaptive fast charging, an adaptive fast charging charger basically. It says 9 volts and 5 volts. That's not bad. I'm not sure it's a quick charge 3.0, but it's at least 2.0, so it will charge pretty fast. This is a USB Type-C to normal full-size USB, if you need it, and the AKG headphones, which this is the cable, and the AKG headphones. I've heard some stuff about them, like they are braided for starters, which you don't really expect when it comes to, you know, some headphones that come with the phone, different earplug sizes. Oh, and these are very nice, very nice, made by AKG for Samsung. Alright guys, I will make a follow-up video on this, and until next time,